Hey guys, Carlos here, and had some trouble. Couldn't figure out why my alarm wasn't turning on, so I looked at the keypad and it told me that the motion sensors were either on. It said open, so I was trying to figure it out, and I realized the motion sensor light wasn't turning on when I was moving in front of it. So I kind of put two and two together and decided to change the battery. Because it's been, oh my gosh, a few years actually we haven't changed the battery, and this is the battery that came out of it, the CR123A. It's a 3-volt battery. It's by Panasonic. It's a lithium battery. Went to Walmart, could not find this damn specific battery, so I actually saw this one right here. It's really similar, and I wasn't too sure if it was gonna work. Looked up online, didn't see anything about the difference between the 123A and the CR123. So I just gave it a whirl. I was like, what the hell? It's Walmart. I can return it if it don't work. Walmart takes back anything. Same size, same width and everything. So I was like, what the hell? We'll try it out. And yeah, it worked. I switched it out and it works. So if you're debating, if you can't find this specific one at your local store and you don't want to wait on Amazon to change it, if they have the 123A lithium, has to be the lithium, it's the same thing. It'll work.